Welcome to 8 Quanta Library Content. Today we'll discuss how to create new NetSuite accounts. You can create new NetSuite accounts either manually through the user interface or by importing them via a CSV file. To manually create a new account, go to Lists, Accounting, Accounts, New. Fill in the required fields, add number if using account numbers, enter a name for the account. You can set the new account as a sub-account of any existing accounts. Set the account type, e.g. income, expense, bank, etc. Set other details including subsidiary, this is for OneWorld accounts only. Click Save. By checking the list of accounts, we can confirm that the new account has been successfully created. Now, let's move on to creating accounts via CSV import. I've prepared a CSV file in advance, containing all the necessary details. Key fields included are account number, name, type, general rate type, cash flow rate type, and subsidiaries. Please note that you can customize the file structure and fields to match your specific business needs or account configuration requirements. To upload the CSV file, navigate to Setup, Import, Export, Import CSV Records. This will take you to the CSV Import Assistant, where you can begin the import process. In Scan and Upload CSV file, set import type as accounting. Set record type as chart of accounts. Select the CSV file we have created earlier and click Next. In the Import Options fields, select Add as we're adding new accounts. Click Next. In the Field Mapping step, be sure to map all key columns from your CSV file to their corresponding NetSuite fields. You can also add fields that are not included in your file by selecting them manually and assigning a value from the drop-down or entering it directly. However, please note that any value entered or selected this way will be applied uniformly to all rows in the import file. Set an import name to identify the import job, then click Run to start the import process. A job status link will appear after starting the import. Click this link to view the progress of your import, including any errors encountered and the number of rows successfully imported. Now, let's check the accounts list. You'll see that the newly imported accounts have been successfully added to the list.